Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the channel. Glad you made it back. So we're headed to Homosassa Springs. We're going to check out Harley-Davidson dealer called Crystal Harley-Davidson. We're already on State Road 50. We took the turnpike from the Orlando area where we were, and about, I'd say about 10-11 miles or so, maybe 15, we got off on State Road 50. We're going to take the back roads. It's a nice scenic rural route, and it's a long way, of course. Whether we'll do that on the way back or not, we'll decide later. Depends on how late it is. Anyhow, hope you guys enjoy the ride. Check it out, man. They got that paint scheme on the Road King also. Would you sell an unreliable motorcycle to one of these guys? Every Harley-Davidson is unique. I love this one. It's really nice. That's all right. You got the Nightster here. Brand new. 8 miles on it. That's a lot of miles. Eat your heart out, alligator alley. Look at that bad boy. Excuse me for a second. I gotta do something. You need a tea bag. DD7 Baker, cool transmission, big wheel, big wheel, big wheel. Oh, he's got a digital. Welcome back, guys. So that was Crystal Harley-Davidson. Very nice Harley-Davidson. I highly recommend, if you're in the area, visit. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this trail that we've seen before on maps, and I've only seen one video on it on YouTube, but it's called the Ozello Trail. And it's supposed to be a curvy trail. It starts off a little easy, and it gets a little more skillful. Not the best road. The conditions on the road are not great. So you can tell it's an old beat up road and they've been patching it little by little. This road is prone to flooding during the rainy season, so just letting you know in case you want to come out here in the summer or springtime and the rainy season, April. Man, my son blasted through here. He's done it before. He came here before and did this trail. Like I said, it starts off easy and it starts getting a little more windy. So I'm just kind of testing it out, getting the feel for it. Not that I have a great lean angle on the bike anyway. It's not lifted or anything. So, and like I said, I have stock suspension. So I'm just going to take it easy on it, go through it, experience it. I want to see exactly how long it is. My son says it's 11 miles. We'll see when we get to the end what we got. They do have mile markers there. I just saw mile marker 4. With a curb right after. There's mile marker 5 right there. You can see the water right here. I mean, that seems like I wouldn't even call it a canal, but it is a ditch for water collection for the flooding. But yeah, it's pretty. You can tell it's pretty low, close to the water. Check it out. They got a nice bank on this one. Banked curve leading to a little bridge. And now we start to see, it says they have an event ahead. I don't know what that's all about. That might be an old sign. Not sure. So you're going to start to see some homes here, and what I've heard is these homes were, well, some of them are not, but some of these homes were put on stilts because of the flooding. And there you have a sign. These are some blind curves with streets leading into them, so not exactly secure. And there you have somebody on a golf cart. an outpost. So a 20-mile-per-hour curb, and there's a blind drive. So yeah, I wasn't aware that there was so many residential homes here. Not exactly a great place to speed. Too many driveways, but it's a nice curvy road regardless. You can still be safe and do your thing. Mile marker 7. There's one house on stilts. I see a bike up here for sale or something. Maybe it's not for sale. Never mind. Another 20 mile per hour. Got good suspension, it'd be a lot better experience. With stock suspension, not so great, you know. The last mile marker we passed was 7. And here comes 8. Nice body of water there. This is a 10 mile per hour. By the way, this is a when you look on the map, and I'll put it up on the screen, but when you look at the map, you're basically riding towards ocean. Pull-offs here, guys. Well, there's one there, I lied. We're at mile marker 9, so if it is 11 miles, we got 2 miles to go. By the way, there's a restaurant right here, and I was planning to eat here, but and they say it's pretty good. It sure smells good, I'll tell you that. I was planning to eat there, but it's getting late and the sun's going down. I've got to go. This is my last day in Orlando too. place, I gotta tell you. We drove through some back country that was just beautiful. Stuff you don't typically see in Florida, you know. It's interesting. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna cut out right here. Thank you so much for checking in. Please remember, share, comment, subscribe, especially comment. Let me know if you've been to Crystal Harley-Davidson down below, and if you've even done the Ozello Trail, or and let me know honestly if you ever heard of the Ozello Trail. A lot of people never even heard of it. So anyway, love you guys. Stay safe on the road. See y'all soon. Peace.